Have you ever heard someone say HR only hires people and conducts interview? Or maybe HR is just about attendance, payroll and policies. What if I told you that HR is one of the most powerful functions in any organization? HR influences hiring, employee engagement, performance, learning, culture, retention, leadership development and even business growth. In fact, a company's success often depends on the quality of its HR team. So if you are a HR fresher, HR executive or a recruiter or an aspiring HR professional, this video will completely change how you look at HR or human resource. Today we will answer one important question: what does an HR professional actually do? Let's find out. Welcome back to HR Tutorials India. If you are planning a career in HR or already working in HR field, understanding HR roles and responsibilities is essential. Many professionals enter HR believing their job is only recruitment or employee documentation. But modern HR has evolved into a strategic business function. In today's video, we will cover core HR roles and responsibilities, different HR functions, a day in the life of an HR professional, real workplace examples, common mistakes HR professionals make, and best practices followed by top organizations. And most importantly, how you can become a successful HR professional. So friends, let's begin. Before discussing the responsibilities, let us understand what HR actually means. Human resource or HR is responsible for managing an organization's most valuable asset, that is, people. The goal of HR is simple: hire the right people, develop them, engage them, retain them, and help them to perform at their best. Think of HR as a bridge between employees and management. HR ensures business goals and employee needs are aligned. In most Indian organizations, HR responsibilities can be divided into several major areas: recruitment and talent acquisition, employee onboarding, payroll and compliance, employee relations, performance management, learning and development, employee engagement, HR operations, and strategic HR planning. Let's understand each one. Talent acquisition and recruitment. The first and most visible responsibility of HR is hiring. Every organization needs skilled employees to grow. The HR team identifies manpower requirements and finds suitable candidates. Typical recruitment activities include understanding job requirements, preparing job descriptions, sourcing candidates, screening resumes, conducting interviews, coordinating hiring managers, salary negotiations, offer management, and joining formalities. Let us see with a practical example. Imagine a software company in Bengaluru plans to hire 20 software developers. The HR team must understand technical requirements, post jobs on portals, search LinkedIn profiles, coordinate interviews, ensure candidates join on time. Without HR, hiring becomes chaotic. Recruitment is not just filling vacancies. It's about hiring the right talent at the right time. Now let's see the employee management and HR operations. Once employees join, HR responsibilities doesn't end. In fact, it begins. HR manages the complete employee life cycle. This includes employee onboarding, helping new employees settle into the organizations. Here, the activities include documentation, induction programs, policy orientation, and team introductions. Then comes attendance and leave management. HR ensures attendance systems function properly and leave records are maintained accurate. Then comes payroll coordination. Employees expect accurate salaries every month. HR works closely with payroll teams to ensure salary processing, bonus calculations, statutory deductions, and full and final settlements. Then comes compliance management. Indian HR professionals must manage PF, ESIC, Gratuity, Shops and Establishment Act, and Labor Law compliance. Compliance mistakes can result in legal and financial penalties. That's why operational HR is extremely important. Now let's see the strategic HR and employee development. This is where HR becomes a business partner. Modern HR is not only administrative, it is strategic. Performance management. HR helps organizations measure employee performance, which includes goal setting, appraisals, performance reviews, and feedback systems. Then comes learning and development. Employees need continuous skill development. So HR organizes training programs, leadership workshops, soft skill development, and technical learning sessions. Then comes employee engagement. Engaged employees perform better. So HR conducts engagement surveys, reward programs, team building activities, and wellness initiatives. Then comes succession planning. Organizations need future leaders. HR identifies high potential employees and prepares them for leadership roles. This directly impacts the long-term business growth. Let's understand HR's impact through a real workplace scenario. A manufacturing company in Pune experienced high employee turnover, low morale, and poor productivity. Management initially believed salary was the problem. However, HR conducted employee feedback sessions and discovered lack of recognition, poor supervision, communication, and limited career growth opportunities. Then HR introduced monthly recognition programs, leadership training, and career progression frameworks. And within 1 year, attrition reduced significantly, employee satisfaction improved, and productivity increased. The issue wasn't compensation, it was employee experience, and HR solved it. Let's look at a common Indian startup situation. A startup grew from 30 employees to 250 employees within 2 years. Initially, no structured policies, informal hiring process, no performance management system. As the company expanded, problems emerged like employee conflicts, hiring delays, high attrition, lack of accountability. Then the HR team implemented structured recruitment process, formal onboarding program, performance appraisal system, learning and development initiatives, and employee engagement activities. Results after 12 months is faster hiring, better employee retention, improved productivity, and stronger organizational culture. The lesson is, as the organization grows, HR becomes critical for scalability and sustainability. Now let us see the common mistakes. Many HR professionals unknowingly make these mistakes. Mistake number 1. Focusing only on recruitment. HR is much more than hiring. Mistake number 2. Ignoring employee engagement. Disengaged employees often leave silently. Mistake number 3. Poor documentation. Incomplete records creates compliance risks. Mistake number 4. Not understanding business goals. HR decisions should support organizational objectives. Then comes the mistake number 5. Reactive problem solving. Great HR professionals identify issues before they become major problems. Now let us discuss the best practices. Top performing HR professionals follow these practices. Understand business. Learn how your business generates revenue. Business understanding increases HR credibility. Then you need to build employee trust. Employees should feel comfortable approaching HR. Trust is the foundation of effective HR. Then comes use data. Track attrition rates, hiring metrics, training effectiveness, and employee satisfaction. Data-driven HR creates better decisions. Then stay updated. Labor laws, HR technology, and workplace trends evolve constantly. Continuous learning is essential. And finally, focus on employees' experience. Every employee interaction matters. From recruitment to exit, create a positive expression. If you're an HR fresher or early career HR professional, follow this action plan. Week 1. Learn all major HR functions. Understand how recruitment, payroll, compliance, and engagement connect. Second week. Study Indian labor laws and statutory compliance basics. Week 3. Improve communication and interpersonal skills. These are critical for HR success. And week 4. Learn HRMS tools, Excel, and HR analytics. And ongoing, read HR articles, attend webinars, and stay updated with industrial trends. Remember, the best HR professionals never stop learning. Friends, now let's quickly recap. An HR professional is responsible for recruitment and talent acquisition, employee onboarding, HR operations, payroll and compliance, employee relations, performance management, learning and development, employee engagement, and strategic workforce planning. Modern HR is no longer just a support function. It is a strategic partner that drives organizational success. The better the HR function, the stronger the organization becomes. Before you go, please answer this question in the comments. Which HR function interests you the most? Recruitment or HR operations or payroll or compliance or employee engagement or learning and development? I would like to know where you are in HR journey. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, comment your thoughts, and share it with your HR professionals and aspiring HR students. Subscribe to HR Tutorials India for practical HR training, career guidance, recruitment insights, compliance updates, and professional development content. And remember, great companies are built by great people, and great people are developed by great HR professionals. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.